Yeah, let us see how to connect MySQL Workbench for the first time. So let's go to Windows and quickly search for the Workbench. So let's click on it. So once you click on it, so if you already have the connections, it will show you. Otherwise, if you're trying for the first time, so let's quickly go to the database, click on connect to the database. So it asks for the, it shows some details, host name, port and username, and it asks for the password as well. So let's clear it and let's click on OK. When I click on OK, it asks for the password. So why? Because I have not stored the password in the vault. Okay. So now let's enter the password. Okay. So I'm going to put it in vault. Let's click on OK. Yeah, it shows now it's connected and shows the list of available things in the left side and a couple of sections in the bottom, right and left as well. So now if you want to see the list of databases in the screen, you can simply type show database and click on this one. You'll get the result at the bottom. It shows you the list of available databases. In the same window, you can create the database. You can perform all the DML operations.